In this video, we will learn how to add page numbers into PDF. So here I'm using the one online tool to add page number on PDF. Okay, so this is my PDF. So I just double click on it and I show you here. So in this PDF, total 21 pages. So here I'm going to add the page number on these PDFs. Okay, so I just close it and I opened one online tool. So this is a website. So website URL is here, the ilovepdf.com slash add dash pdf dash page and dash numbers. So I'm going to add here the PDF page number. So just first step, just select the PDF file. Just click on the select PDF file. I select the PDF and click on the open, and you can see your the PDF pages is all added. Okay, total 21 pages here also showing. So here the right hand side, the page number option showing the page mode, single page or facing pages. So page position of page number here, the downside, if you want to set here, you can click on here. You can see the preview here. So if you want page number here, you can select according where you want a page number. So I select this one. Then margin is a recommended. Okay, so pages first number is 1. Okay, which pages do you want to number? So 1 to 21, all pages I want to number. So text insert only page number, recommended only page number insert. Text format, if you want to change the text format, you can change over here. Okay, so after that just click on the add page number, and that's it. Click on the download PDF number, and here your PDF is downloaded with the page number. Now I just open this PDF file. I just double click on it, and here you can see the page number 1, and I just drag page number 2, page number 3, and I go to direct last page. You can see total 21 page number. Okay, so this is a way you can add a page number also easily and free with the help of online tool. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.